What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this really cute short passion twist hairstyle. So if you guys would like to see, then stay tuned, but let's hop right into this video.
Like all of my gang, even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
Okay, so to achieve this hairstyle, you're gonna need a couple things. One, for sure, you will need is the hair. So this is passion twist crochet hair. This company actually sent me the hair for free, so I got to try it out and I actually really like it. So if you guys want, then feel free to check it out. I will put their name somewhere here on the screen, and I will also put their link in the description box below, because why not? And yeah, so I'll show you guys the hair. It comes with, I got 8 packs, and to do my hair I only use 2.5 packs, so 8 packs goes a long way. But these are 2 packs here, and I got a 1B just in case anybody's wondering. So in addition to the hair, it also comes with this. Comes with some jewelry pieces and a crocheting needle. I did not crochet these in, but it is an option and they give you it. So we have our section here. Clean up the part with some Shine and Jam. Rub that in. Take a bit of our moisturizer, rub that in. And we're going to split the hair into 3. Gonna take 1 passion twist hair, open that up, and then just braid normally. Just go ahead and braid it like nothing happened. Like it ain't nobody's business. After you've braided it a couple times, you then want to pick the right side and you should have your fingers twisting the hair as you go down. So twist and then go around the strand, twist, then go around the strand, twist, then go around the strand, twist, then go around the strand, twist. Okay, it's too hard to do it slow. It's easier to do it fast, but you guys get the point. That is the motion that you have to do in order to achieve these twists. And there we go. And that is another row done. I am done majority of my hair. There we go. But I am gonna do this last one here on camera with you guys. Okay, so we have this section, and just like we've been doing, you're gonna take your Shine and Jam or whatever you choose to use to clean up your parts, and just go ahead and put that around the perimeter of the section. And work it in, work it in. Boom. After that is nice and sleek. If you need to moisturize your hair any further, just go ahead and add some more moisture to the hair there. There we go. So we have it there. Then we are going to take one of our pre-twisted passion twists. Now that we have our 3 sections, just gonna go ahead and braid normally. If you guys see me looking over there, it's because that's where the mirror is. Then you just continue to twist. If your finger is not doing this motion like so, that means you're doing it wrong. And that's why your twists are not turning out properly. And yeah, just keep doing that to the end. And that is pretty much it. So otherwise, for this hairstyle, I am going to put some mousse on my hair and jazz up the edges. Maybe even put on 1-2 jewelry. But guys, it is nighttime now. And what I'm going to do is just get some mousse. And put that on my head. A little bit more, and then after I do this, I am gonna put on my head tie. And yeah, I'll probably do my edges a bit now. Not early, I'll just do them tomorrow because they'll probably get messed up in my sleep anyways. I'm gonna go put on my head tie and I will show you guys the finished product after when it is good to go. Okay guys, so this is the next day after I took off my head tie and I did my baby hairs. You know. So this is the finished style. And honestly, this style is very versatile. You can rock it however. I just decided to leave it down for now. But yeah, you can do very different styles. I'll show you guys one that I'll know for sure I will be doing, which is, because honestly, this is like when I do my not my passion twist. When I do my twist on my hair regularly, it gives me the same vibe kind of. Just a little extra I usually always end up doing this hairstyle by the end of it. Yeah, you know, you can do very different styles, but I know for sure I'll end up doing this. This is the finished look. Let me give you guys a 360. Hopefully that wasn't too fast or whatever, or too slow. But yes, one side. But that is it, you guys. Remember, if you guys like this video, to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.
Love it like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.